Hello everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I am going to have a doll of the day show up here in a minute, but it kind of depends on what's in this bag, which is a mystery bag from Virtual Doll Convention. I don't know if they're still available in the shop. They usually sell out pretty quickly, but every once in a while she'll put together like some odds and ends of clothing, etc. for the dolls, and you don't know what you're going to get, but it's always a really good price. So let me just see what we've got, and then I'll figure out which of my Tonner dolls I will dress up. So there's stuff in here. Oh, and there's something down here. Some more cookies. This was in another box I got from her, cranberry shortbread cookies. Yum-o. Okay, so I got some cookies. Everything else is out of there. Yes, okay. So I've got cookies that will taste very good with tea, and then a variety of items in this baggie here. So let's see. We've got a belt, always very handy. We've got something red here. Oh, this looks like a red underskirt. What is that called? Petticoat. All right, Tammy, come on. Let me get these open here. Yeah, so I'll see what's in here, and then I'll go find the doll of the day to share with you and tell you about that doll and dress her up. Okay, this is really pretty. Oh, how neat. You know, in fact, I have a couple things I think this will go with. So, all right, so that's kind of cool. We've got collect memories, collect dolls, shine bright. Very cute. This is a little sticker. And we've got a shirt. Interestingly enough, I think I have this shirt, but I'm not 100% sure. But I will check. And I do have this dress. Oh, how funny. I have this dress already. But, you know, maybe I'll resell or gift them. How funny. Okay, let's see. Fingers crossed, something new in here. Some glasses. I have a number of them, but I do not have a pair of white ones, so that's nice. And, oh, I do not have this color purse, I don't think. I have this purse in purple. And I think I have it in maybe green, but I do not have it. I don't think I have it in pink. I like that. It's like a blush pink. Very pretty. All right, get in here. Get in there. Very cool. And this is just this little styrofoam thingy is just to keep it, you know, the shape while shipping and stuff. Ooh, I see some shoes. Oh, I love these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah, so there's a lot here in these little mystery bags. These are really nice. I love those. Cool beans. And I see something green in here. I'll see a few more things. Okay, some shorts. I do not have these shorts. Those are cute. They look like little faux drawstring shorts. And a couple more things. Striped shirt. I don't have this shirt. Let me take... So they have some cute little mix and match separates. I think they still have some of them in the shop. But very cute. That would go with that. And, oh, it would go with the next thing, too. Oh, yeah. Some more shorts, little black shorts. I like that. And then something else in here. Ooh, okay, I like these. I've got a white one, if this is what I think it is. I have this in white. Ooh, look at the trim on that. Cute. Oh, it's long sleeve. Mine is sleeveless, so yeah, I didn't even... How pretty. All right, so I've got to find somebody. These, I mean, like, that's a cute little outfit, obviously. Like, that would be cute like that. That would be so-so. This, I'll have to see what I have. I probably have a skirt or something I could wear. I could put so she could wear it with this. So, all right, so we've got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Stay tuned. I'll go get a doll. I'll dress her off camera using some of these items possibly, and then tell you about the doll. I have a number of Tonner dolls, and so probably in the description and possibly in the title, I might have the name of the doll because, you know, Google likes that. So, but right now as I film this, I'm not really sure which doll I'm going to talk about today. So hold on. All right, guys, here is the doll I picked, and this is the outfit that I put together, most of which came from this little bag of mystery items from Virtual Doll Convention. This is the first Ellowyne Wilde doll that I ever acquired, and she is a 2015 release, but I think I got her in 2025. And actually, I did not get her originally from Virtual Doll Convention, even though that's where pretty much all the new dolls come these days. I picked her up at a place called Doll Peddler, and I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, there were actually a bunch of dolls that came out. This was, I want to say, 4 years ago. And they came out on Rachel's site, Virtual Doll Convention, and I hesitated, and I didn't get one, and then I really regretted it. So I looked all over the internet trying to find an Ellowyne Wilde doll, which was not easy to do, let me tell you. Okay. And I found her. And so I went ahead and got her thinking, well, let me just see what all the hype is about. And of course, I fell in love, right? She's a little bit different than a lot of the dolls that you see these days. So let me take her glasses off here. Before I describe her anymore, I guess I should tell you her name is White on Right. That is the title that Robert Tonner gave her. And she originally came in a completely different outfit than this, obviously. She came in a white outfit that included these super cute shoes. And I remembered about these. I thought, well, these will look really cute with this little shorts outfit that's in the bag. So she had these shoes, some white leggings, a little white dress, and then a white boxy shirt over it. And I think she had a little white tote bag, all of which I have someplace around here in her, in my Ellowyne stash of clothes. But anyway, she does have inset eyes. They're described as hazel green, but I mean, to me, they really look brown. And you can see she does have eyelashes and a really cute face up. I still really like this doll. She's still one of my favorites. She's got blonde hair. And it's just cut straight in the back. And I don't know if you noticed that when I showed you the shoes that she's wearing, she has flat feet. So that's the only beef I have with her, is that at the time it didn't really matter that much to me, but now that I've had a few, it's kind of a bummer because she cannot share shoes with a lot of the other Tonner dolls that I have. The Ellowynes and the Nemas all can wear the same shoes, but all the other ones I have in my collection have high-heeled feet. So she has to have her own shoes. So I have a small collection of shoes for her. She's got these and a couple of slip-on shoes and a couple of sandals, and just in neutral colors. So they typically work for everything. This little bag she's carrying, by the way, was an accessory that came in a Grace bag of clothes that I got from Rachel a while back too. And the necklace she's wearing was something that, it's actually a Blythe necklace that I think I made during Terry and we had a virtual Blythe retreat taster where we did grunge, and I thought, well, this will look really cute with her. So she's wearing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But along with all these fun goodies from the little mystery bag I got, this is today's doll of the day, Robert Tonner Ellowyne Wilde doll. Okay, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications every day when I post the doll of the day. Bye-bye.